Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create a Python program to calculate the total flat interest amount. Now let me go ahead and show you the equation. The equation is we can find flat interest by saying the amount. For example, how much did you get from the loan? Maybe 8,000, and we have to multiply this by 100, that means 100%, and let's say your interest amount is 8, for example 8% for the year. If this is 8% for the year, so how much this will be for 3 years? So we can say multiply 3. We can find flat interest for 3 years for this amount with the percentage of 8%. Okay, now we are going to do the program here. I'm going to create a new function diff. I will say cal underscore flat interest. This will take in some arguments. First one is the principal, second one is the rate for the year, and the time. For example, years, 3 years. Now I will say colon. Inside this I'm going to define interest equals to, now I will say this principal multiply by rate and multiply that by time, this one. Finally we can divide this by 100. So here we are returning interest, and after that I'm going to define a variable called a principal to store my amount. I will say 8,000 and the rate as 8, time as 3 years, and then I will say result is equals to this function call passing in arguments principal, rate as this variable, time as this variable, and after that we can print our result. We got 1920.